Hey everyone, welcome back to another Python tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn how to make decisions in Python using if, elif and else statements. These are very important for controlling the flow of the program, so let's get started. Let's start with a basic if statement. This allows Python to execute a block of code only if a condition is true. Now let's go and see the example in Python. Let's start with basic if statement. So has if statement, and we will assign variable a equals to 10 and variable b equals to 5, let's say, and we'll use the if condition. If a is greater than b, then we will print a is greater than b. So in this case, when this if condition is true, then this code is executed. That means if the variable a is greater than variable b, then the print statement is executed. And now let's run it. A is greater than b. Next is elif statement, and this statement allows to check multiple conditions after an if statement. That means this statement is useful when you want to check the multiple condition. Now let's go and see the example of it. So has elif statement will assign a variable called age here equals to 16, and then we will check if age is greater than equal to 18. We'll print, let's say, eligible to vote, and if this condition is not true, we'll use elif here. Elif is greater than equal to, let's say, 16, and then we can print let's say eligible to, let's say, drive. So in this condition, what happens is that if age is 18 or over, it will execute if condition and print eligible to vote. But if it is not and the age given is 16 or over, it will execute elif condition and print eligible to drive. That is how the elif statement in Python works. Now we will see how, let's run it. Here the age given is 16, eligible to drive. If it is like 18, then it will give eligible to vote. So this is how elif condition in Python works. Finally, we have else statement, and we can use else statement to handle all of the conditions that don't match any of the condition. And now we'll see the example also and be more clear about it. Now we are talking about else statement. So else statement. Here I will take example of temperature. So let's say temp equals to 40, and then I will use if statement. First of all, if temp is greater than like 34, then print it's like a hot day, okay, hot day. And if this condition is not true, then I will use elif for it. Elif temp is greater than 22, let's say, print warm day. And otherwise, if both conditions are false, then we'll use else statement, and then we'll print it's a cold day. In this case, first if statement is checked, that is if temp is greater than 34, it will print hot day, but if the condition is not true, it will goes to the elif conditions. We can use different elif condition, but here I am giving only one. So that means it checks the multiple conditions, and if none of the conditions are met, the else block is executed. Now let's run it. It's a hot day because the given temperature is 40 and it is greater than 34. The first condition is met. If we give temperature like 24, then we run it, it's a warm day. If it is like 15, then we run it, it's a cold day. Okay, I hope I have covered all of the conditional statements, if, elif and else of Python, and these statements are very important to learn because they are the fundamental for decision making and help to control the flow of the program. And that's all for today. If you are a beginner and wants to learn a Python, there are more videos in my channel. Please go and watch it, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.